Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling overwhelmed by your finances, or do you desire to live a debt-free life? If your answer is yes, then it's time to take control of your money. Today, I'll be breaking down the basics of budgeting into simple, actionable steps to help you create a financial plan that works for you. Hello, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by, and be sure to watch this video to the end. Understanding your financial health starts with knowing your income and expenses. Income is the money you earn from all sources, including your salary, side hustles, or investments. Knowing your net income is the foundation for an effective budget. Your net income is what you get paid after taxes, pension, health insurance, etc. are deducted from your total or gross pay. Never make your budget based on your gross income to avoid overspending. Expenses, on the other hand, are the money you spend on anything and everything. It is important that you track and categorize your expenses into fixed expenses or necessities and variable or discretionary expenses. Examples of fixed expenses are rent, utility, and groceries, while variable or discretionary expenses include entertainment and dining out. You can further categorize your variable expenses into needs and wants. Doing this will help you determine what you are spending the most money on and where it might be easiest to redirect your money to your financial goals. You can track or record your daily spendings with anything that is handy, such as a pen and paper or a mobile app on your smartphone. It is important to also make a list of financial goals, which may be either short-term or long-term goals. Short-term financial goals like debt settlement should take around 1 to 3 years to achieve, while long-term goals like savings for retirement or your child's education may take decades to accomplish. Now, you may ask, why do I need a budget? Creating a budget is like building a roadmap to your financial goals. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify where your money is going and make informed decisions about how to spend it. Budgeting helps you save for important goals and what really matters, like buying a house, a car, starting a business, going on a dream vacation, or planning for retirement. It also prevents overspending and helps you build an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Remember, even small savings can add up to a lot of money over time. You might be shocked at how much money you are able to accumulate by making one minor adjustment at a time. Are you ready to create your budget? Let me walk you through the step-by-step process. 1. Track your income. Carefully record all your income sources, including your regular salary, any part-time jobs or side hustles, freelance work, or investment returns. 2. Track your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed or essential costs like housing, utilities, and groceries, and discretionary spendings like dining out, shopping, and entertainment. Monitor every dime you spend by using mobile budgeting apps or pen and paper. You may consider setting specific and realistic spending limits for each category of expenses. 3. Set realistic financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve financially. Are you saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund? 4. Allocate your money. Divide your income into categories based on your expenses and goals. Prioritize essential expenses, allocate funds for savings, and assign amounts for discretionary spending. 5. Maintain zero balance. Be sure to have a zero balance when you subtract your expenses from your income. By doing this, you will not be spending what you think is extra on unnecessary things. In the case of any balances, you should redirect such money to your savings. 6. Review and adjust. Regularly assess your budget to ensure it aligns with your financial situation and goals. Be flexible and willing to make changes as needed. Sticking to a budget takes discipline, but it's worth it. Here are some practical and helpful tips. Create a budget that fits your lifestyle and income. If your income is $3,000, then your budget must be within $3,000 and not above to prevent debts. Start small by tracking your daily expenses. As you master the process, it becomes easier to track your expenses monthly. This will help you to understand your spending habits. It is crucial to have savings for unexpected costs. This can help prevent financial stress. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make savings effortless. Explore ways to save money on entertainment, hobbies, and daily expenses without sacrificing quality of life. Take advantage of the many free and customizable budgeting apps and software to simplify the process. Celebrate your budgeting success to stay motivated. Once you have prepared your budget, ensure to review it on a regular basis so that you can stay on track. This becomes important because you may get a raise, or your expenses may change, or you may reach a goal and want to set another one. Remember, budgeting takes time to master. It is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. Be patient, consistent, flexible, and celebrate your small wins. By taking control of your finances through budgeting, you are building a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember, you are not alone. For me, I'll be following this guide, and I look forward to sharing my story about how these basic budgeting tips have helped me to achieve my financial goals. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comments below. Remember to subscribe for more financial tips and tools that can help you conquer your cash to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.